Hi, I'm making a beautiful hat. I'm crocheting it, and I am learning how to decrease. I knew that a long time ago, but I forgot. So I have to, the pattern calls for single crochets in between. So I'm making single crochets, and then I'll show you how to single crochet two together. You stitch into the stitch and draw up a loop and hold it. Then you stitch, put the hook into the next stitch and draw up a loop, and then pull them all the way, all of them through. And I'll show you this close up. This is going to be a beautiful hat, but you need to know how to decrease the single crochet. First you insert the hook into the stitch. My photographer can come a little closer. Into the stitch. Then pull up a loop. Then put the hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Then you yarn over and pull the yarn through all stitches. That's your single crochet decrease, where you put two single crochets together. Now I continue with my pattern where I just do single crochets. I hope you enjoyed another video from me. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.